At Downer, as one of the largest employers across Australia and New Zealand, we are shaping a more sustainable society. Our annual sustainability report provides our people, customers, investors and other stakeholders with an overview of our sustainability progress throughout the year. In FY23, we launched our new purpose, Enabling Communities to Thrive, to better articulate our reason for existence and emphasise the important role we have in delivering sustainable outcomes for our communities. But our role in enabling communities to thrive goes beyond the services we deliver. In FY23, we continued to support our communities through a range of partnerships with not-for-profit organisations. Our commitment to supporting and promoting good mental health is another way we help our communities thrive. We understand that in order to enable communities to thrive, we must be a leader in reducing our own environmental impact. In FY23, we continued to evolve the way our strategy includes considerations around energy transition and decarbonisation, and continued to ensure we are protecting the environment we operate in. For example, monitoring and fitting transmitters to Kiwi in the Mount Messenger Bypass project area. Ultimately, it is our people who enable communities to thrive. They are the ones who will deliver the essential services that support communities now and will make them more resilient in the future. It is essential that we focus on the health and safety of our people as our #1 priority and drive a workplace culture that supports and empowers them. More than 22,000 employees completed their Standards of Business Conduct training, while we also launched our own Respect program to help eliminate discriminatory conduct within the business. Enabling communities to thrive also means partnering with local and social enterprises to help drive sustainable growth in our local communities. We're proud of the role that we play in enabling communities to thrive. For more information on our FY23 sustainability performance and achievements, read our full report.